Hi and welcome to another lecture in the RICS APC Essentials course that is going to take your understanding of the different levels of competencies from level 1 knowing to level 2 doing to level 3 advising wherever relevant. In this lecture, we're going to be tackling communication and negotiation, which is a mandatory area of competence, and the RICS expects the candidate to cover both level 1 knowing and level 2, which is doing. We're going to be splitting this lecture into two parts. The first part is going to be tackling level 1, where we're going to be expanding on the main communication types, as well as shedding some light on communication examples, where the quantity surveyor is going to be involved in one way or another, as well as giving some advice about further considerations for us as cost consultants and quantity surveyors that we should be aware of. And in the second part of the lecture, we're going to be tackling level 2, which is doing. And the way we're going to be expanding on it is through showcasing a real submission, which covers level 1 and level 2. We're going to be starting with a clear understanding of the different communication types, which could take the form of oral communication, written communication, or some sort of negotiation. The oral communication could be meetings which are in person, or they could be virtual meetings through audio calls or video calls. In any meeting, whether it's in person or virtual, there are definitely loads and loads of presentations that are communicated and liaised with the different members in these meetings. The written communication could take a wide variety of forms, such as reports, memos, meeting notes, even Primavera schedules and programs, and brochures, as well as flyers and pamphlets. The negotiation is a whole world of communication, and that is one of the most substantial skills that any quantity surveyor should have in their pocket. The negotiation could be regarding a wide variety of the matters, such as reaching specific objectives, having a clear understanding of the strategies that needs to be set in a specific firm, and also a quantity surveyor is awaited to be able to collect and present different evidence. Having covered the main core points in level 1, which is knowing, the way we're going to be tackling level 2 doing is through giving the candidate an understanding on how to write the submission to cover both levels. Level 1 knowing, it's all about listing what you have studied before, what you understood about this area of competence, and what the RICS guidance notes have helped you to grasp. In level 2, it's all about the action, what you were involved in. There are two examples that are on the screen, which involve discussions about variation orders, discussions about valuations, having monthly meetings, chairing these meetings, writing minutes of meetings, and agreeing on final figures for works on site. And this is all for this video, which is meant to be an extended trailer or a teaser. And if you want to have full access to the full length, the recorded videos, the notes, the presentations, and the question and answer banks, do not hesitate to get enrolled on the APC Essentials course on the APC Mastery Path web portal, and you can make the best use of a coupon code which is APC35 for a 35% discount. All the best in your APC journey. Thanks a lot for watching, and catch you in the next video.